Oh dear, stop making me bum. Children stare at their cookies on their plate. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with me, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a laugh. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, and the doorbell rang.
All right, Kenzie, all done.
Is there a button?